Kia ora koutou. Here we are at video number 8 about Rerepa. In this video, we'll be looking at using Tēhea and Ēhea to ask which questions. We'll be using Tēhea to ask about singular items and Ēhea to ask about plural. It's a revisit of the rule we've been over before. T for tahi, T for one, drop the T for more than one. I'll be using Tēhea and Ēhea with these 4 particles. Ko, no, kei, and ki. And I'll be giving you examples along the way. Let's start with ko. Here's a few examples, starting with the simple phrase, ko tēhea, and then the thing we're asking about. For example, ko tēhea rā, which day? Ko tēhea tangata, which person? Ko tēhea atata, which video? In the plural, ko ēhea kura, which schools? Or ko ēhea pukapuka, which books? If we wanted to extend the sentence, we can add some details in. Here's an example. Ko tēhea te kapu pai kia koe. Which cup do you like? I've used te in this sentence, whereas I haven't in the others, because if you look at the literal English translation, it's actually saying which is the cup that is good for you. Here's a plural example now. Ko ēhea taonga tākaro koe e pirangi ana. Which toys do you want? When you want to ask which iwi or place someone is from, we would use no. No tēhea. No tēhea iwi koe. Which tribe are you from? Which iwi are you from? No tēhea tua whenua tō whānau. Which country is your family from? No tēhea rohe ngā manuhiri. Which region are the visitors from? And here's a plural example now using ēhea. No ēhea iwi rātou. Which iwi are they from? We would use kei to ask about places. Here's a couple of examples using kei tēhea and kei ēhea. Kei tēhea marae koutou e noho ana. Which marae are you staying at? And a plural one. Kei ēhea whare wānanga koe e whai mātauranga ana. Which universities do you study at? Just looking at these 2 examples, have a look at the placement of the kaimahi straight after the main phrase, kei tēhea, and before the action phrases. This word order might be unfamiliar, but so it's worth noting if you're planning to use these sentence structures. The last set of examples I'll be showing you is using ki tēhea. We would use this one to ask about at which place or to which destination. And here's the examples. Ka tū te hui. The meeting will be held. Ki tēhea kura. At which school? In our translation, at which school will the meeting be held? Here's another one. Ka haere koe ki ēhea taone nui. Which cities will you go to? So that's my introduction to Tēhea and Ēhea using ko, no, kei and ki to ask questions about which. Have a go at using a few of these as you go about your day. Coming up in the next Rerepa video, questions we can use to ask how many. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Hei kona.